Friends, there is probably more sweat wasted in sawing than in any other operation. Let us look at what can go wrong if the correct procedure is not followed. The trouble starts simply by trying to go too fast. If the saw is forced into the wood, it gets jammed. Also, you will observe that if the pressure is exerted to make the saw cut faster, then the slot becomes narrower and its sides are rough with broken wood fibers. These jam against the saw, and the deeper it goes, the tighter it jams. And once a saw has been forced, it is harder to free it completely again. Let us look at the correct steps or method of sawing. To cut a strip of wood across, first draw the saw backwards once or twice. Then commence making long, light strokes up and down. It is important to use the whole length of the blade and ensure that the movement is forward and backwards. The weight of the saw should be enough. Support the free end or it may snap off before the cut is complete. Remember that it is always harder to saw wood with grain than across it. Make sure to saw on the waste side of any marking.